Hey guys, it's your boy Wallace. Welcome back to my channel. I am the Nomad Recruiter. I travel the world and make places for a living. If you guys don't know me by now, I want to help you get your agencies off the ground. If you're recruiting as a beginner, I want to give you a few tips to get started today so we can get your agency to the next 6 and 7 figures. If you're looking to start your agency, once again, make sure to check out my website at nomadrecruiters.com and you can book a coaching call with me today if you're looking to get started. Make sure you check out my student testimonials. I have real names, real people, no Lambos, no mansions here. I'm only looking to work with action takers. So listen, as a recruiter, beginning and you're trying to get your agency off the ground, it's important that you start learning the basics of habits and learning how to recruit the people in your niche. You want to be asking qualifying questions like, what are your reasons for leaving your job? Are you open to relocation? What are your salary expectations? And, what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? So there's so many qualifying questions that you know to ask when you're interviewing your candidate, because that saves you a lot of time and energy before you send them over to your clients. Okay, so it's important to understand how to research this and understand how to qualify the candidates for the proper positions. Okay, so going back into recruiting as a beginner, I definitely would say watch as many YouTube channels as you can for free until you purchase an online program to give you the information that you may need. I would definitely just be a sponge. I have over 500 videos on my YouTube channel offering so much free content on my channel. I have a free ebook. I have a free masterclass. So I'm constantly giving a lot of free things out there because I want to see you guys get started. I want to see you take action at the end of the day, because sometimes people want to try it out themselves. I don't recommend it because I've seen what happens to usually a lot of people who just get started but don't have the proper training and coaching. One thing I will say, if you're looking to get into the recruiting and staffing space, you're looking in the right space because, we're not an Amazon FBA, we're not YouTube automation, we're not a e-commerce store. It's a great side hustle. It's a $400 billion industry and it's endless opportunities, in this space. Recruiting as a beginner as well, I would say make sure you read a lot. Try to read a lot of sales books, a lot of self-development books, because you definitely want to develop your communication skills, your level of emotional intelligence, because empathy is going to be extremely important because we are working in a space where we're interacting with people on a day-to-day process. Recruitment is all about control, and most importantly, never assume. As I teach you so much on my channel, do not assume, because assuming can make an ass out of you or me, and you guys already know this. Recruitment is all about curiosity, and I cannot stress this enough. Curiosity is the word of the day. Curiosity. Always stay curious, because if you are interviewing someone or you're interviewing a client and you don't know what something means, you always want to be asking questions about that niche, that skill, any project that's going on. Be curious, because the more curious you are, the more discovery you're going to have as you grow as an effective recruiter at the end of the day. You want to be trying to understand how to qualify your clients as well, because there are some red flag clients and there are some green flag clients, and there are clients that will burn you. They will try not to pay you or try to take advantage of you. And there are some good clients, but sometimes you just want to make sure that the communication levels and the expectations are on the same level. What do I mean, AJ? So if you're working with a job as a new recruiter and you're a beginner, maybe you have a senior position, but it's underpaying what the market rate may be. It's important to stress to that hiring manager and communicate to them that the salary expectations doesn't currently meet the market rate, which may hurt me as a recruiter trying to source for you, because I'm spending all my money on the software tools, your LinkedIn, Indeed, Dice.com, and so many other platforms that I'm utilizing to try to source for you. I'm spending money posting job ads. I'm spending money and time. Most importantly, time is so expensive because you cannot get that back. If you work on a job that's not meeting market rate expectations, well, your odds are going to be pretty slim of finding you the right person at the end of the day. So it's important to understand how to qualify your clients and your candidates as a new recruiter. Most importantly, you need to learn how to source. There's a lot of sourcing videos that you can find on YouTube. There are books out here, or you can keep watching my channel. I think I'm going to keep making some sourcing videos to teach you guys. Some of my secrets are how to think like Aijalon Wallace, because I know you guys want to be the top and you want to be the best of the best. And you have to understand that there is a lot of competition out there as you're getting your agency off the ground. Listen, if you like this video, I need you to hit that like button. I need you to subscribe to the channel. Support your boy Aijalon Wallace today. If you want to get your agency off the ground, check out nomadrecruiters.com and book a call with me today. I really appreciate it, guys. I'll talk to you soon.